What's up everybody, it's Josh. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I don't know what time it is where you are watching this video, but right here, right now, it's happy hour and we're gonna make a drink. And the drink of today is a Bacardi cocktail. Now, what you're gonna need for a Bacardi cocktail: 2 ounces of Bacardi Light or Gold. We're going with Bacardi Gold rum today. 1 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of grenadine, and a maraschino cherry. And this is gonna be served in a cocktail glass. Disclaimer, I am not a real bartender, so I'm just a regular person who is a spirit enthusiast, I guess you could say. And I hope you enjoy watching me make drinks, and I hope that you'll learn how to make some drinks that you didn't really know how to make before, because that's what this channel is about, you know? I wanna just add some value to your life. So, Bacardi Gold, it's a classic. It's not the highest end rum. It's not the lowest end rum. It's somewhere in the middle, but it's super popular. It's a crowd favorite. We've been drinking Bacardi rum since college, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. Every time I have a party, somebody inevitably brings a bottle of Bacardi. Some people don't drink vodka, scotch, whiskey. I don't know anybody who doesn't drink rum, especially gold or dark rum. So this is a solid piece to have in your bar. And again, you don't have to have a whole bar. You don't have to have a bar set. All you need to have is your spirit of choice, a couple of mixers, some ice, and something to hold water in. All right? So without further ado, let's get into it. 2 ounces of Bacardi rum going into the shaker. We've got 1 ounce of lime juice, pre-measured. Check this out. You ready? We're gonna flip this over. Boom! 1/2 ounce. Double-sided. You like that? We're gonna add 1/2 ounce of grenadine. If I didn't tell you, there's ice in the shaker. We're gonna shake vigorously. Don't y'all love how the bartenders look so cool when they're shaking the ice? I don't know how cool I look when I'm doing this, but it feels cool. I feel like I look cool. And then you add your drink to a chilled cocktail glass. Ooh, buddy. And you garnish with a maraschino cherry. If you've watched my other videos, I would love to use cherries with the stem, but I don't like this bottle is just the cherries. There's no stem. And if you know me, I really hate wasting food. I'm not wasteful at all. So we're gonna have to get through this whole bottle of cherries before we buy cherries with a stem. So deal with it. There's something really fun to me about making drinks in a cocktail glass like this. This is part of my efforts to kind of fancy up my bar a bit. Now we've got our cocktail. We're gonna pass it to our taste tester to see what she thinks.
This is delish.
All right. So I think we've got 2 thumbs up. For me, I felt like there was a little bit too much lime, and what made it perfect was adding a little bit more grenadine. So the recipe called for 1/2 ounce of grenadine. I would say do 3/4 of an ounce, or even go for a full ounce. Just adding that little bit of sweetness kind of counteracts that lime, and it makes it a delicious drink. Don't be fooled by the look of this drink. It's a pretty drink. It's almost pink. It's in kind of a frou-frou glass, but there are 2 ounces of Bacardi in here, so it might just sneak up on you. So if you guys made this at home, let me know what you think. Leave it in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video as much as Carlisha liked this drink. And if you did like it, go ahead and push that like button and go ahead and subscribe because I got plenty more to come. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good one. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.